So I'm going to go in ChatGPT. So what I've been working on for you is I'm creating a GPT workbook, and I've actually started on the actual workbook. But I don't want to show you yet because I want it finished and I want to be able to present it the way that I want to. But I wanted to show you this conversation that started from a lot of this, because I know some of you guys was asking last time wait a minute. Some of you guys was asking last time about how to build other GPTs other than art GPTs and different stuff like this. I go in as a base work, and I just asked ChatGPT what I wanted to do, and a lot of this information. So I'm going to turn it into a GPT and a workbook for you guys, a GPT workbook that I'm going to be giving next week. And so I already have started on this. It's just not finished, and I want to present it the way that I want to present it. But I wanted to show you guys how I came up with it, because you can take some of these parts of this same GPT, some of this same information, and, you know, elaborate on it and put this in your GPT. So what I started out asking is, I just said, please help me create a GPT workbook / planner that includes a theme of pages that are based upon the process and workflow of creating GPTs inside of ChatGPT.